it's Gilbert here. This video I'm going to carbon fiber hydro dip this light switch plate. I have cleaned it with a degreaser, scuffed it, tack clothed it, sprayed it with metallic graphite, and now I'm about to dip it. Sure to shake up your activator. $88 will work. Hopefully this fits. It's really tight. Alright, we wait 1 minute. I cut it way too big. Well, the bag is the problem. It wasn't sticking to the sides. So I'll do this a little on this end and we'll be fine. She'll be right, mate. It is very humid in here. I don't see any air bubbles. It's been 1 minute. Make sure we have activator. 12 inches high. That'll work. Glossy. There. Woo! Yeah, that looks good. Rinse it off good, lukewarm water. Once you get the front, make sure you don't have any on the back either. Sometimes you'll get some on the back, you want to get that off. But it's looking good. Looking real good. I didn't do the greatest job on the activator, but I'm not seeing any real negative effects from it. So see how it's matte, it's dull. That means it's clear of any of the activator or the plastic. It's all off. And you do want to make sure you get it all off. If you don't get it all off, then your clear coat and stuff won't stick right. Issue where you're rinsing and it's not coming off, it's probably because you didn't use enough activator. Ta-da! Hopefully that's showing. Light's not the best in here. There's the finished product. Hopefully you can see it in this light. Carbon fiber plate, black Plastadipped screws, and the switch. And I'll just tell you right now, if you're going to Plastadip your switch or your power outlets, it's on you. Be safe. Don't electrocute yourself. But that's how it turned out. Hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment. And I've got another 25 of these to make. Well, maybe I should insulate and drywall first, but you know, hey, it looks, at least one looks good.